Good day and welcome back to another thrilling video. If you keep yourself focused for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll show you not just how to accomplish it, but also how to maximize it and start making much more money. You don't need to create a website, a credit card, or to be able to do it from anywhere on the planet. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos on how to make money on the internet you've ever watched. Let's get started without further ado. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. I'll show you how to get money online by viewing videos in this video. It accepts a variety of payment options such as Payeer, PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and others. With this free website that I'm about to show you, you may start making money right now. You can even put it on autopilot to make even more money. You'll also learn how to improve your game and possibly make more money. As a result, make sure you don't miss any steps in this demonstration. Keep in mind that this isn't your typical method of earning money from watching videos. In order to properly set things up, you must watch every single second of this lesson. You'd know what you need to do, so you just do it and it'll be beneficial in the long run. Go to YouTube and view a few videos before you do anything else. You will be compensated for watching videos on YouTube, but first, you must register at youtube.com. I'll demonstrate how to do it. Simply go to the upper right corner of the website and click Sign In. To log in, you'll be asked to establish a password and enter your email address. If you don't own one, you may make one by visiting this page and clicking on the Sign Up button. In the next box, fill in your full name as well as your new email address in the box below. Finally, type and retype your password in these two fields as a confirmation and then press the next button to continue. Before you can sign up, you'll need to fill out a few more details before the Explore button appears. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. After you've logged in, click on your YouTube account on the left-hand side of the screen to proceed to the next page where you'll have to select a game. And this section will show you some of the best gaming videos that are popular and have a lot of views. And people can make a lot of money on the internet by using these videos. The next step is to select a game from the list below to play. Because of the gaming industry's speed and popularity, it makes little difference whatever one you choose as long as it is well-liked and adored by a large number of players. With any of the current games on the market, you can't go wrong. You'll now be able to find particular videos when you select any of those games, and they're all receiving a lot of views as time goes on. The second website is where you will be paid immediately, so exit this page and go there. I'm about to show you 7or6.com, where you may get money by shortening the URLs of selected films. Simply create an account and then shorten the URL. You will be reimbursed if you use any website. They will pay you for shortened URLs as a result of this. When someone clicks on a shortened URL, not necessarily a YouTube video link, they will be taken to an external page with advertisements before being redirected to the target site. Not just a link to a video on YouTube, the person who just shortened a link on our platform and the person who just shortened a link on YouTube split the ad money. It's exactly the same way it's done on the website. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. As you may be aware, when you first visit this site, you will do exactly the same thing. Before you may be paid for your time and work, you must first register an account. click the sign up button in the upper right corner of the page, and then you will be sent to a site where you must establish a password and enter your email address. After that, you'll check this box and then complete the procedure by clicking the register button below. When you log into your newly established account, you'll notice this. You can see your average click-through rate, the total number of views, and referral earnings on this page as well. Simply copy and paste the new shortened link into this box to shorten it. Finally, click the shortened URL below to complete the process. By clicking the withdrawal symbol on the left, you can withdraw the money you've earned from those shortened links. After you've registered an account, all you have to do is earn money by shortening links, and the YouTube videos are the ones you'll want to shorten. Despite the fact that you can copy and paste URLs from any of these movies, I'm going to give you some sound advice and show you how to earn some extra cash. It's vital that you concentrate your efforts on live videos. If you do, I'm convinced you'll achieve better outcomes and generate more money. All you have to do now is click on the live hyperlink here to access just live YouTube videos. Simply open any of the videos you've obtained the URL for, such as this one, and then select Share from the drop-down menu. You'll be able to copy the URL and paste it in this box once you return to this platform. Then complete the process by clicking the shorten button below. Just bear in mind that you'll be able to earn more money if you can shorten as many links to different videos as possible. Now that you've shortened multiple links to different videos, it's time to put them all together. The only thing missing is a traffic source. You must get people to click on your link in order to be reimbursed. Don't worry, I'll show you two key traffic sources. The first is steamcommunity.com, which is a gaming-related forum where people may talk about everything. Millions of people visit the site each month, and thousands of people post about a variety of games. All of them are available on Steam. Because we aim to provide shortened links to YouTube gaming videos, these two factors make it a perfect traffic source for us. The first thing you'll need to do on this website is to create an account. To begin receiving clicks, simply write your post on this site, where you'll share your shortened links. Consider how easy it is to earn money from home. You may just sit and wait for hundreds of thousands of clicks from gamers and others all across the internet. If you don't use Steam, you may also utilize the moot.us. It is a website to share your abbreviated URLs with Steam. Simply follow the instructions I've just given you and you'll be okay. The amount of traffic that will be heading your way will enchant you. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!